Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make some spaghettis. Okay, so in my spaghetti recipe we will need, of course, some spaghetti. Okay, so we will need jalapenos for the spiciness. Ugh, I love spicy. And some onions, and we have here some garlic. We have here some shrimps. We'll be using habanero peppers, any spicy pepper you have, guys, any. Salt. We have here some Maggi cubes, some vegetables, green onions, yellow peppers, orange peppers, yellow peppers, some green peppers here. We have here some ground beef, some oil, meatballs, some homemade spices, and some marinara sauce for marinara pasta sauce. You can make some at home. I will show you a video of how to make some at home. So family, friends, let's get started. Okay guys, so our spaghetti is done cooking. So I added some more cold water after it was done cooking so that the spaghetti won't come like it won't be like together. So this is how it is. Not too hard, not too soft. You see. So I'll just go ahead and drain the water out of it. Okay, so this have been on fire for about 10 minutes. So I will add my spaghetti. Alright, so our spaghetti is all done, and I have here my vegetables. I don't like to put my vegetables in earlier because I want to taste it. But some really good. Yes, I want to really good. So that is why I like it like this. So just look at this, guys. Look at this. Mana GIL that. Shit. Oh my gosh.
I am so excited that I was able to share with you guys my spaghetti recipe today. Please, if today is your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Jemima and I am so happy to meet you today. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let's enjoy new recipes and food together on this channel. So thank you for watching and see you next week. Bye bye.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for cooking with me. And then the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and